Odisha NEET 2019 MCQ. An object flying in air with velocity 20 I caret plus 25 j caret minus 12 k caret suddenly breaks into two pieces whose masses are in ratio 1:5. The smaller mass flies off with a velocity 100 I caret plus 35 j caret plus 8 k caret. The velocity of the larger piece will be. Here it is given that suddenly breaks. So net force acting on the system is 0. So we can write that linear momentum of system is constant or conserved. Suppose total mass of the object is 6 kg. It is divided in m1 and m2, but m1 is to m2 is given 1:5. So here m1 is 1 kg, m2 is 5 kg. Velocity of the original object v vector is given, velocity of the smaller object v1 vector is given, and here we want to find velocity of the larger object, it means v2 vector. Here linear momentum is conserved, so we can write mv vector is equal to m1 v1 vector plus m2 v2 vector. So m2 v2 vector is equal to mv vector minus m1 v1 vector. So v2 vector is equal to 1 upon m2 in bracket mv vector minus m1 v1 vector. So 1 upon 5 in bracket 6 into 20 I caret plus 25 j caret minus 12 k caret minus 1 into 100 I caret 35 j caret plus 8 k caret. By simplification, v2 vector is equal to 4 I caret plus 23 j caret minus 16 k caret. So your answer is option 1. Thank you.